One-page websites are highly targeted to the visitors because they are created for one single concept. It may be a product selling or service selling. But smart marketers adding a blog section in a one-page website. In this video, we will see why a blog section is important in one-page website. Search engine optimization is very important to get organic visitors. We don't need to pay any amount for getting visitors. So everyone want to optimize their website search engine friendly. If you add a blog section in your one page website, it gives lot of advantages because we can create unlimited posts. We can create a important post on any important keyword. So all the main keywords, important keywords, bring organic visitors through search engines. So the blog section is helpful to increase the SEO results. That's why the smart marketers are prefer to adding a blog section on their website. Lot of brands using the blog section on their website. The second one, blog sections are develop and strengthen relationship with the existing and new customers. Because through the blog section we can explain anything about related to our service. We can conduct a survey or we can ask any questions to our customers. We can receive feedbacks. Everything possible in the blog sections. Blog posts are very powerful to bring new visitors. We can optimize our blog based on the trending activities. The third point I want to say, by using a blog section, we can establish our business as an industry leader. Lot of big brands are using blog section. So blog section, we can explain our services and all the product features easily to our customers. We can't include all the related keywords in the main page only. So if we add a blog section, we can explain everything and expand our keywords count through the blog section. The next important advantage is we can connect the people for our brand. Blog section is helpful to building our brand. Blog sections are very helpful to the brand promotion. By through the post, each and every post, we can add the videos, text, images and lot of things we can do through the blog post. The fifth point is an important, it creates the blog sections create opportunities for sharing. Imagine if we have just one single web page, that's very hard to sharing a content publicly. If you have split the content with multiple blog posts means that's very easy to sharing that particular content to the social media audience. Imagine if we own our blog section for simple concepts. If our home page contains 5,000 or 10,000 words web page, that's very hard to sharing that contents through social media or any other platform. But in the blog section, that's very easy to share the content because the content quantity is very less and they are targeted for particular keyword only, so we can easily share the content to the social media. These are the very important advantages by using a blog section. I suggest you to use a blog section in your website. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you on next video. Thank you very much.